Hello friends, once again you are with Ruchi Jain and welcome to my channel Learn German the Easy Way. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. With the help of this channel you can learn the language very fast and easily. In this new video we are going to learn some daily activities in German. So are you ready? Let's go ahead. As I told you, in this video, we are going to learn our daily routine activities in German language. So, we are starting from morning. To wake up. Aufwachen. To wake up. Aufwachen. To get up. Aufstehen. To get up. Aufstehen. If you want, you can repeat along with me. To get up. Aufstehen. Next activity is to brush. What we do after getting up? To brush your teeth. Zähne putzen. Zähne putzen. Zähne, teeth. It's the plural form for Zahn. So the verb will be Zähne putzen. Next activity is to wash. Waschen. Waschen. Next one is to take breakfast. FRÜHSTÜCKEN. FRÜHSTÜCKEN. Once again along with me. To take breakfast. FRÜHSTÜCKEN. Next. To take shower. Duschen. To take shower. Duschen. Next one is to comb. KÄMMEN. KÄMMEN. To comb. KÄMMEN. To dress. ANZIEHEN. ANZIEHEN. To dress. ANZIEHEN. It's a trennbares verb. So, when we'll use in the next videos, we are going to learn how to use these verbs. So, right now, just for your information, to dress, we call it the verb anziehen. Let's go ahead. Next verb is to go. Gehen. To go. Gehen. Here you can see I have not said gehen. H is a little bit silent. Gehen. Gehen. To go. Gehen. Next is to walk. Laufen. To walk. Sometimes we also use the same verb for running as well. To run or to walk. Is it laufen? Next verb is to run. Rennen. To run. Rennen. Let's go ahead. To stand. Stehen. To stand. Stehen. Just stehen. You can repeat along with me to get the right pronunciation. To stand. Stehen. Let's go ahead. Next verb is to sit. Sitzen. To sit. Sitzen. Next one is to eat. Very easy. Essen. To eat. Essen. To drink. Trinken. To drink. Trinken. Trinken. Next one is to read. Lesen. To read. Lesen. To write. Schreiben. To write. schreiben, schreiben. Please do take care of the pronunciation. Schreiben. Next one is to calculate or to count. Rechnen, rechnen. To calculate. Rechnen. To hear. Hören. To hear. Hören, hören. Next one is to sing. Singen. To sing. Singen. Singen. Next activity is to paint. Malen. To paint. Malen. Now to clean. After doing all the activities, what you need to do? Cleaning. So the next activity is to clean. In German, we say it aufräumen. Aufräumen. It is again trennbares verb. To clean, once again along with me, you can speak aufräumen. Next is to lie down. After doing so many activities, what you have to do? To lie down. So the word is liegen. Liegen. To lie down, liegen. After liegen, to sleep. What you do after lie down? To sleep. Schlafen. To sleep. Schlafen. Schlafen. Yes, the pronunciation is schlafen. What you do after schlafen? After sleeping? To dream. Sweet dreams. So that is träumen. Träumen. To dream. Träumen. I hope all these activities and their German names are quite clear now for you. I hope you have enjoyed my video. So I would like to say thank you, danke. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it and don't forget to ring the bell. Do share this knowledge with other friends as well. Thank you very much once again and wait for my next interesting video soon. If you need something or you need any video on some subject, please do give your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much once again. Tschüss.